Hey guys, welcome back to another quick forum video. Sorry, this is going to be an upload. So if you saw this video already, like I said, I'm sorry for this. I don't know what happened. I was recording it on my phone, and for some apparent reason, I guess it didn't record the audio. So I don't know, my phone went to Android Pie or whatever. So now it doesn't work with, I guess, my external mic. So I'll just use the regular one. This mic's a lot better either way. So yeah, sorry guys. But today, in today's video, should I say, we're looking at the LG Tribute Empire. Yes, guys, this is a new phone that just launched. Maybe less than a month ago, maybe about 3 weeks ago. As you can see there, at least it's going to be releasing here on Boost Mobile on January 28th, 2019. So, being February, you guys already know this phone already came out. I did have an unboxing of this phone. I do have an unboxing of this phone, should I say. It is in the description below. So if you want to see the unboxing of this phone, check it out. I will have it linked in the description below, so check it out. But like I said, let's get into today's video. We're going to be talking about the LG Tribute Empire's pricing. This is going to be the official pricing, so no Walmart pricing or BoostMobile.com pricing. This is going to be the official pricing when you go to a Boost Mobile store. This is the pricing. And we're talking about 3 different pricing. New lines, upgrades, and port-ins. As you know, there is a difference between them. So let's go ahead and look into it. Let me kind of zoom in here a little bit. So as you can see, here we go, guys. Now, shout out to Hugo Vasquez. He is the one that provided this information for me. So shout outs to him. Like I said, very cool guy. So it says LG Tribute Empire will be available for brand dealers beginning January 28th, 2019. So like I said, it already came out. So the pricing, the suggested retail price is $100, $99.99 basically. I picked up my phone at Walmart for, I believe when it first came out, $70 or $60. It was roughly around that price. I'm going to say it was $59.99, but here we go. So promotions. If you go to a Boost Mobile store, you can get it at $60, guys. So $60 for new and upgrading price. So as you can see, that one is the same. So if you're just going in there, you're like, hey, I just need a new phone, whatever, I don't have a line with anybody, I want this phone, they're going to charge you $60, which is pretty good. It's competitive with, like I said, Walmart and BoostMobile.com and all that stuff. Also, as well, if you have an upgrade, you can do your upgrade and pay $60 a month and, go ahead and get it instead of paying $100. I know it is in the prepaid, industry, it is a little complicated where people's like, oh, let's say you got this phone for $60 and then you're like, I broke it, whatever, let me get another phone, and you have it in 2 months. Guys, they're going to charge you $100 because you don't have your upgrade. So either you're going to have to get an upgrade or get a new line to get it at $60. Now, the cool pricing in this is right now, if you do a port-in, so from a competing carrier that's not Sprint related, let's say Metro or Cricket or AT&T or Verizon, USL or whoever's out there, you can get it for $10 plus, of course, activation and all that, all those fees that everybody's charging, these days. So $10 not bad. You might be saying, but wait, Dragonic, there's better deals out there for port-in. I can get a Style 4 for free. Yes, like I said, go ahead and get that. So it's a lot better than this phone, definitely. And then of course the iPhone 6. What was it? 6S. I believe you can get it for like $25. So that one's gonna be even a better deal. But let's just say they don't have the LG Style 4 and you're on a strict budget. You're like, man, I can't afford it. I can barely, afford freaking milk. Then this is probably the phone that you should get if you really need a phone, So let's say you have Cricket and you're like, man, I really need a cheap phone. I broke my phone. Then yeah, go ahead and get this phone for $10 if you port in, plus your month, plus activation and all that stuff. So yeah, now you might be saying, what do I get for these features? Well, you get a 5-inch HD display, a 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor, a 2,500 milliamp battery, talk time up to 15 hours, so not bad. 4 gigabytes of LTE. Now I will say that battery, the phone is pretty small. It's not the most powerful thing. It doesn't have a HD display, so that battery should do fine for it. 16 gigabytes of ROM, so 16 gigs of internal storage. 2 gigabytes of RAM, which is okay, I believe. It's usually I'll try to stick with 3, but at this price you're not gonna get it. Android 8.1 Oreo, which is nice. Hopefully Boost Mobile starts coming out with Pi, and more phones. Well, later on, of course. 8 megapixel main camera with a 5 megapixel front facing camera, guys. So not bad at all. Let me know in the description below what you think. Is this garbage? Is this, a lot of people are comparing it to the Dynasty, which it really does look, and honestly, once I do the review of this phone, you will see what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's basically almost the same thing, maybe just a little bit more updated specs. I don't know, you know, all these manufacturers just rebrand their stuff. So yeah, but let me know in the comments below, is it worth a pickup? Are you gonna get it? Like I said, if you want to check out the unboxing of this phone, you can in the description below. I will have that linked to the video. Very cool. I do like the, you know, the box and all that stuff of it. But yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. If you want to support me, you can via my PayPal in the description below, or you can check out my #1 supporter that helps me bring more videos like these to you, netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. Let's say use the link and promo code, you will save $5. It's amazing for gaming, streaming, anything like that. If you don't have data, like I said, no caps. So check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.